welcome back to the cooking channel. Want to say hi, Nanny? Hi. We promised cookies, but we ain't got to that yet. Stay tuned for that video. Tonight we're making steak tacos. So it's getting late. Let's get to it. Alright, guys, got the meat cut up. I don't think I'm gonna season it tonight. Bug likes it seasoned, but that's all he's getting. The taco seasoning better be good enough for him. All them seasonings are not good for his belly, but he don't like to listen. Hopefully he won't notice. Alright, while that's cooking up, let's get everything ready. Don't that look good, guys? Got a question. Can you guys smell that? No? That's too bad, because it smells good. You guys warm up your tortillas. Look, I found a trick that works perfect every time. Microwave, 10 seconds. Flip them over. Again. Another 10.
Hey you guys, what's going on?
Cranberry juice, tacos, and salad.
Taco baby.
You're welcome. How are the tacos, babe?
The tacos are really good. Thank you.
You're welcome.
What, baby?
If you enjoyed this episode of Cook With Me, give the video a big thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Go check out our vlog channel. I'll have it listed down below. We're working on something pretty cool. And we'll see you guys next time. Thanks for watching.
Bye, guys.
Bye.
Bye, guys. Bye.